This is a public health update from the United States. Health authorities are currently monitoring the spread of bird flu. Cases have been detected among wild birds and poultry in several states. Human infections remain rare and limited to animal contact. The CDC says there is no evidence of human-to-human transmission. Officials emphasize that the risk to the general public remains low. Monitoring has been increased nationwide. Farm workers are advised to follow strict safety and hygiene guidelines. Health agencies are working closely with state governments to track cases and ensure national preparedness. Vigilance remains important. Updates will be provided as more information becomes available. Stay informed, stay safe.